The toddlers had other ideas.
I did that! I look cute! Cool! Real cool!
Try it out. Yep. Can I blow some?
No.
Got it? Let's do it. That's the way the wind.
Soap all over your mouth. You got in your hair now. Waylon.
He's going back home.
I did it! I did it! Wake up!
Your finger?
Can I try it?
You want me to try it?
I try. I hope.
You help. We're gonna get ice cream.
Wait, where do I get ice cream? Mommy?
Oh no.
Yes.
There's a drive-thru.
1 scoop of confetti birthday cake in a cup, and 1 scoop of what was it? Peanut butter
cup.
Peanut butter cup, also in a cup. Sorry, buddy.
Change of plans.
What happens? Young's was packed. Turns out when it's like the first weekend where it's over 40 degrees in Ohio, everybody loses their minds and goes to the one outdoor place within like a 30-minute drive. But that's okay. We made it work. They got a drive-through and it was pretty quick.
Yeah, and now we're home, and so then after we eat, we can just like roll ourselves into pajamas and then roll ourselves to bed. Is that good chicken and sauce?
Cold. Stop sprinkles.
Is that good ice cream?
Cool! Cool!
Teacher, what do you see? Donna, that's right.
I came up here to fold laundry, peacefully, watching Parks and Rec, enjoy my time. The toddlers had other ideas.
Can you tell me all the noises? We see a brown bear,
Red bird,
a red bird, good job, a yellow duck,
white rat,
A blue horse.
Nay.
A purple cat. What's the cat say?
I'm done. Meow.
A white dog.
Where else?
A black sheep.
Ah.
I gotta get a fire truck.
Bo, 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 bo.
Waylon, what does mommy say?
No, no.
What does daddy say?
Okay.
What does Uncle Cam say?
I got that.
What does the helicopter say?
Bo, bo.
Whoop, whoop.
It kind of looks like it's. I started to fold laundry over there. Look at this. Look at this mess. Ugh. You can't even see June. Barely. I'm not kidding. My room is clean. I had like a basket of laundry to fold. And then like toddler tornadoes came through. Plus the husband tornado. My job's not done.